Hello everyone, good morning. It's Lonnie. We're in the shed and I have some orders to pack for eBay. Orders to pull and pack. Actually, I pulled them. Everything's right here. That's a lot of stuff going out today. Well, the number of orders wasn't a lot, but I've got a lot of good bulk stuff going out, so I'm going to clear some shelf space with this one. This is probably 2 shelves worth of stuff here. Close, maybe 1.5. Anyway, let's get into it. All right, this first item is Target Renegade. I'm starting with my second store first, the Garage Flips eBay store. There's a link to it up there. Target Renegade for NES, tested. It's got a little piece of dust there or something. Yeah, this is tested. It works. This is going out to a viewer named Simon. He is buying it to test an NES that he bought. So he wanted to buy from someone he quote-unquote knew. So thank you very much, Simon. I hope your NES works. You're probably going to have to mess with the pens, though, to be honest. This is a Mark Silvestri art book. I got it in a lot of comics that I've had sitting around for a while. I pulled some out the other day and listed them, and a lot of them sold. This book sold for $9.99 plus shipping on top. It's going to go media rate. And then the last thing, I haven't been very active on that second store, but the last thing I sold on that second store is this New York Yankees World Series Champions 1998 hat. It's got the little tag or whatever on there, a New Era hat. This sold for $19.99 plus shipping on top. So that's everything from my second store there. Okay, moving on to the main store. Have an interesting assortment or variety of items going out this time. The only product category I'm not really selling in from this shipment is electronics. I don't have any electronics. I have everything else. I've got clothing, collectibles, books, video games, and I guess I don't have music, but I do have some media there. I have shoes, I have clothes, comics, yearbook, all kind of stuff. The Mentalist on DVD, it's like 6 seasons. That's sold for $24.99 plus shipping on top. This is something I got at the thrift the other day. Like, when I say other day, I mean like it was Friday or Thursday, I think. I bought all 8 of these books for $1 a piece and put them up immediately because they're big. I didn't want to hang on to them for any longer than necessary. I got $42.99 plus shipping on top for those. Yeah, media rate shipping. It's still expensive though. The media shipping is like $13, but these weigh over 20 pounds altogether. So good deal though for me. 8 into 43 before fees, of course. That's a $35 gross profit. I'll take that. Punisher mug. It's in here. I'm not going to take it out. But this is going out to a viewer named Carl. Thank you very much, Carl. I really appreciate it. He says he's a part-time eBay seller. Carl paid $13.99 plus shipping on top for this mug. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate it. Not too long ago, I bought this Order of the Holy Sepulchre of Jerusalem stuff. I've got a pretty good bit of it left, but I'm definitely in the profit now. This is like an embroidered pen or badge or whatever here. It's not metal at all like most of the other ones are. This one I got $47.49 plus shipping on top for. Then that is an estate find, by the way. Then this is a Sabretooth Famous Covers figure. This is going out to Andrew. He bought a Wolverine just like this, he says in the message. So and he's buying this for his brother as a birthday gift. So really hope he likes it, Andrew. Thank you very much for the purchase, and happy birthday to Arthur. If you're watching this, happy birthday, man. I hope you like it. I guess I just spoiled the present though, huh? Thanks again though, y'all. Kotobukiya, where is that? Okay, this right here, the Spider-Man $20.99 PVC model or assembly figure is what they call it. I got $61.74 for that plus shipping on top. That's a really good one. And then this is a DC Direct Joker, like in a box. They call it Joker in a box is what I have in the title, but it's like a Jack in the Box. Oh, Joker in the box. This is like a Jack in a Box. So, and he comes up with this bat puppet thing with his fingers coming through the eyes. It's pretty creepy. Anyway, I got $31.34 plus shipping on top for that. Okay, and then this, I'm not going to take them out of this bag because I have them all bagged up. I'll ship them like this. This is a lot of Dark Child comics. So, yeah, these are actually comic books, so they have to ship out priority. I'm going to ship them out priority rate. These are going out to a viewer named Jason. Jason, thank you so much. I hope you like the comics. These are actually pretty cool looking. If y'all look at the photos there, it's a lot of good art there on those. I like them too. $39.99 plus shipping on top for that. Here's something I don't sell very often. This is a Polo Ralph Lauren quarter zip sweater, kid size 18 to 20. I think I paid $1 for it, and I got $9.99 plus shipping on top. So it sat around for a little while. It's starting to get a little chillier, so it's sold. So that's awesome. This is something I had for quite a while. This Tom Clark gnome figure. These were popular, I think, in the late 90s, early 2000s. I've had it up for sale for a long time. $14.99 is what I got for it. Look at this price. It was on it in the gift shop that closed. $280. Probably back in the 90s. That's what they were trying to get for it. I sold it for $14.99. That's where the market on some of this stuff is gone. But yeah, $14.99 plus shipping on top for that. And I sold a Boeing FA-18. It's a Blue Angels version. These models are really cool. They're all wood. Got $56.99 plus shipping on top for this. This was part of a big estate buy I did where I bought a bunch of airplane stuff a while back. Most of y'all probably remember that. You know, it might have to go back a month or so to see it. This is a yearbook from Fort Ord, California, U.S. Army Training Center, Infantry. Got $19.99 plus shipping on top for that. And then staying on military theme, Belleville boots. Man, I have to look up what I paid for them. Probably about $10 if I had to guess. Looks like something I'd pay about $10 for. But I got $52.24 plus shipping on top. The weird numbers on some of these are from a sale I ran over the weekend. 5% off sale. So that's why we see kind of some strange numbers here. But yeah, $52.24 plus shipping on top for those. I think these are, yeah, new in box desert boots. And let's see, the last thing is this little Hallmark back copter ornament. I got $17.99 plus shipping on top for this. And they paid $10 shipping, so I'm guessing I'm probably going to be sending this out simple export rate. Yes, this is going to Australia, as a matter of fact, and it's going simple export rate for $10 because it's going to ship out at less than 8 ounces. So that is a great deal on the shipping for that. Good morning, everyone. It's Lonnie. It's a new day. It's a new computer. I picked up this this iMac yesterday. It's a really gorgeous screen. It's a 27-incher. It's a really nice computer. It might have been a little extravagant, but I'm digging it. I am selling this. I just listed it. This little Dell laptop. I decided I'm going to make do with my MacBook Air for what I was going to use this one for, and I'm going to sell this one. So this has already been listed, like $75, I think. Not a lot. And it's going on the Candace shelf right here. Okay, let's take a look at some stuff that's going out today. It's all this stuff you see right here. So pretty good bulk, which is good. Always good to get rid of bulk because we always have more bulk coming in. But sold this Bible. This is not the one I bought just the other day. Although this is a nice Bible. It's like another family Bible, heirloom family Bible. $14.99 plus shipping I got for that. I think I picked that up at a Goodwill, but I'm not positive. And if I bought it at Goodwill, it's probably $1. They don't usually price Bibles up. I sold this Incredible Hulk model kit for $11.99 plus shipping on top. That might be going actually overseas. Let me see. The shipping is kind of hefty, so I'm thinking it might be, yep, that's going to Canada because they paid $14 shipping for that. Then these are two things that I listed last night. They're actually very heavy. Like, let me see how much this one weighs. This one weighs a little over 10 pounds. So we got about 20 pounds of cards there. So these are going out to a viewer named John. John, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna look at other ways to ship this, John, but this might be the best way. I'll see what regular priority costs, and maybe even FedEx. I might look at FedEx, or I might just ship them like this, because that's not, I mean, it's like 20. It's actually 25 bucks. I'll see what I can do. And if I save anything, I'll refund you. But anyway, John bought these 2 boxes of trading cards. Each one, well, one has 28 sets, the other has 29, and he paid a total of $79.98 for the two, plus shipping on top. So thanks again, dude. Really appreciate that. And there might even be a deck of these in one of those. I took a best offer on these Beauty and the Beast cards, $6.99 plus shipping on top. This is a separate purchase, of course. This is a football I bought $1 or $2, 3 or 4 weeks ago. Nike football. And yes, it is it could be a Tom Brady ball because it doesn't have a lot of air in it. $19.99 plus shipping on top for that. And okay, here's an airplane that I sold, F-16 AC. This is a Missouri, if you look at the tail art, Missouri Air National Guard thing. These aren't the higher quality models, so I got, it's nice, don't get me wrong, it's nice, but it's not, it's like just a plastic model. I got $23.74 plus shipping on top for that one. Whoops. And then, oh, 2 more. This is a Batcopter Hallmark ornament, sold for $17.99 plus shipping on top. I had 2 of these. I sold the other one the other day, and then now this one's gone. So that's awesome. And then finally, this Joker scene, I don't know what you call it. It had some defects to it, but it's still pretty cool. I think it had like a little piece broken off or something. I disclosed it in the listing. I got $44 plus shipping on top. This thing, the guy actually messaged me 2 weeks ago. And he goes, hey, if I buy this Joker thing, can I pay? And he gave the date, and it was like pretty far off. And I looked at his feedback, and I was like, yeah, okay. I was feeling like, I don't know, maybe I was in a good mood or whatever. And I was like, yeah, that'll work. That's fine. And I no, he bought it. I don't remember how. Oh, I responded with an offer that was like a penny less or something than the actual price. He accepted, and then I didn't hear from him again until yesterday when he paid. I'm like, oh yeah, that thing, the guy actually paid for it. So sometimes it works out to trust people. So yeah, that is it for today. I do need to update Momentum board. I don't really want to show it to y'all, but I'm gonna do it. All right, moving right along with packing orders. I've just got these left to go. Determine if I need to do something different with these or not. But yeah, how am I gonna pack a football? I'm pretty sure that question was gonna be asked if I don't show it. So I'm gonna show it one-handed style. That's how I'm packing a football. And I'll just close it up and put the label on it. I hope it wasn't a surprise, because it might be kind of easy to guess what's in there. Okay, here's this ugly momentum board. 45 days in, $19,815. Getting close to 20,000. That's a good number. 408 items listed. Average of $440 per day. Average sale price of $49 per item. Goal is to list $32,000 in 80 days. And I have $12,185 left, which will be $348 a day on average. That's a pretty hefty number. I've got 35 days to do that in, by the way, if I didn't already say that. And the new days that I put on here, looks like I took a long weekend, doesn't it? Look, I listed 2 things for $67 on Friday. I didn't list on Saturday. This one for $500 is only good if you think that I will get at least $500 for that jersey. If I end up taking less than that, then this number is bogus. I think I'll get it, but I don't know. And then yesterday was solid because I did ship out Monday orders, and I listed 8 things for $271. So I'm pretty happy with that day. I've got a decent start for today already, listing that laptop for $75. And I've got an idea for exactly what I'm going to be listing for the rest of the day to try and hit a good number. So that's where I'm at on momentum board. And yeah, that weekend wasn't pretty, but momentum board ain't about being pretty. It's about showing what happened or what you've done. And that's what I've done. So I noticed that Josh over at Lot of Josh YouTube channel, he just started a nice board. So looking forward to seeing how he does with his too. And yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video. I will see y'all again next time. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.